How to fix network anomaly, please try again later in Binance. So if you want to fix the network anomaly, please try again later in Binance, then what you need to do is first you just need to search for your Binance application. So here you will have your Binance, right? So what you need to do is you just need to tap and hold on to the Binance application. Go for app info. Once you've under the app info, you just need to go for storage and cache. And under storage and cache, you need to simply go for clear cache. Once you clear the cache, now you can also go for clear storage if you remember your login information like your passwords or something. But if you don't remember, then simply don't tap on clear storage. And once you've done clearing your cache, you need to go back and go for the permissions option. Once you're on the permissions, now if you have not allowed any permissions, then you just need to go for the permission like location, camera, microphone, phone, photos and videos and anything like that, like which is useful. You can simply go and allow the permission, and once you've allowed the permission, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply go for your Play Store. Make sure that you have an internet connection and search for Binance. Once you've searched here, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then simply go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, you just need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. Restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the network anomaly. Please try again later in Binance, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.